Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wannan shine video namu na uku a cikin wannan series da muke mai suna Koyi Javascript. Kamar yadda na faɗa, insha Allah zan yi bayani akan Javascript tun daga farko har zuwa gwargwado abin da ya kamata a ce mutum ya sani a ciki. Idan ba za ku manta ba, video namu na ƙarshe mun yi bayani kan yadda za ku saving file na Javascript, that is yadda za ka fara rubutu da Javascript. Now there are two ways to do that. You can either create separate file, kai amfani da link, kai linkin nasu da HTML, ko kuma kai creating syntax din a cikin HTML file ɗinka as an internal maybe Javascript za ka yi aiki da shi. In ba za ku manta ba kuma na yi bayani kan cewa in order for you to work with Javascript, you need to create independent web page. So the web page that we're creating Koyi Javascript.html, which idan muka bude browser namu za ku ga this is the file that we just created, is a blank file. So yau insha Allah a cikin wannan video abinda za mu yi bayani akai, za mu yi bayanin yadda ake fara rubutu a Javascript, yadda ake rubutu a Javascript, abu na farko da koyaushe mutum yake bukata duk lokacin da zai fara programming language is to learn how to execute first statement a cikin wannan programming language din. Shine abin da mutum yake fara koyo, kuma kowane programming language yana da way na executing abubuwa nashi. So Javascript ma yana da ways na executing codes nashi, ta yadda idan aka rubuta wannan zai executing waɗannan codes in. So there are two ways na executing codes a Javascript, and inshallah I'm going to focus on the second way. The first way is through console. Is through console.log. And this console.log is like back end ne na web page wanda shi mutum wanda yake browsing ba zai ga wannan back end din ba, but Javascript kamar ta bayan fage yake running waɗannan codes din, amma shi mai browsing baya ganin waɗannan codes din. So shine abin da wannan yake, saboda sometimes wannan codes na Javascript suna executing, but ta bayan fage console.log shi kuma nashi suke executing. So shine console.log. Sannan kuma akwai document. Shi kuma document shi yake da alaka da web page, and that is front page in wanda mutane suke gani da idanunsu, shi yake da alaka da shi. So I'm going to show you all this, how to write all these codes, console da kuma document, inshallah, cikin wannan video. So let's start. Since already we created our Javascript these are the two files of Javascript we already created and linked them. So we can also create a script. We can just say insert this script, for example. Now, so let's say we are going to say we want to just print sometimes I couldn't again ana creating hello world as well. So I'm going to create your first hello world, but yeah, I'm going to write my technology. So I'm going to say console.log. So this is inside here nan ne zaka rubuta abin da kake so a gani. So I'm just going to write, for example, my technologies. I'm going to execute my technologies like this. So I'm just going to create this. Take note, sometimes Javascript it duk lokacin da ka rubuta line code naka, syntax naka, kana buƙatar ka rufe su da semicolon. It's not must, but if you want kana buƙatar ka rufe shi da semicolon. If you don't want, just leave it like that. But for your words to be clean, ya kasance ka gama wannan statement in ka fara wannan is good ka sa wannan semicolon at the end, but it's not must. So let me just go to the page. I just click Ctrl S, I save it. Now if I come and refresh, you will not see anything. You will not see my technologies here. Why? Because the technology yana running ne a bayan fage, that is yana running ne a console na wannan browser in. So if I just click, I'm using Chrome. Duk browser da kai amfani tana taking wannan console. So I'm using Chrome. Just click on inspect. If you click on inspect, you will see elements. Just click on this console. This is the console, and under this console you see this is our hammer technology, because it execute the scripting syntax da muka bada, codes in da muka rubuta under console.log. This is what hammer technology is it wrote for us. So take note, this console da muke gani idan ba za ku manta ba akwai wani video da nayi, you can watch that video da nayi how you can hack dinosaur game, Google dinosaur game. So all dinosaur game ne wanda idan baka network ka bude Google Chrome za ga cewa kawai game ne zaka kana tsallakewa. So I hacked that game. I use console to change the JavaScript codes of the game, and I just hacked the game. So you can just keep zaka playing game in unlimited ba za ta ma game ba sai ka gaje kawai ka bar shi. So you'll be the highest score on your browser. It's just something that will give you more about this console. So this is what this console is all about. So I can just come back here. I can copy this again. Let me just copy it, for example. Then I will just say let me just write the hello world that you used to see. That is, you are telling the world, yeah, today you are a programmer. So you start writing cover Rubutu programming language yanzu da hannunka. So if I save now, if I come back and refresh, look at the console, you will see we have another console. We have our technologies and we have hello world there. So we have two syntax that just we created now. So this is how you create execute something on console, that what you did there. So the second thing to execute your codes is to what is for front end. That is, people will see the codes. That is, people that are on your website will see the codes. Because for now, if I close the console, nobody will see such codes that are Rubutu my technologies is also until I come on the console. Then is gone. So now idan muna son wannan abunda zamu shi kuma, let's just come down. All you need to is to just say document. Document has to do with the web page, front page anchor. So document.write. So I'm just going to put a double quote inside it. Then I'm going to say the Hammer technologies again. Okay, let me differentiate them. Let me put this one in capital letter. Then I say Hammer technology. I'll put my semicolon again. Then I save. So if I save it now and click refresh, you see now we have Hammer technology in small letters here, and we have Hammer technologies in capital letters. And these Hammer technologies is the Hammer technology that we have inside document.write, and this one is inside what console.log. So these are the two ways of writing, of executing your JavaScript code. There are many things we are going to do inshallah in this, but you need to understand it, because I'm going to focus more on document.write. I'm going to focus more on document.write, not console, because document.write is what has to do with the HTML, the CSS that we learn, and even the web application and other things that we are going to do with JavaScript. That's what I'm going to focus on. So inshallah nan za mu tsaya cikin wannan video. You can keep writing whatever you want to write. Take it step by step. Don't worry, don't rush it. Inshallah ɗaya bayan ɗaya za mu ɗauke su, kuma za ku fahimci yadda wannan JavaScript ɗin yake aiki da ikon Allah. So nan za mu tsaya inshallah cikin wannan video, da fatan Allah ka samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.